It's loud, it's mean, it's a beast.
Okay.
This Miss B?
Yes, this your girl, Miss B.
That's right. Tell me what you love most about your Dodge Challenger 2017.
My 2017, of course, I love the style of it. I love the speed of it. I just love the look of Challengers altogether. They haven't changed the body in a long time, and that's what I love about it. It's a lot of muscle. I mean, who wouldn't love this, right? Like, come on now.
You gotta have a lot of muscle.
Yes, a lot of muscle, and it's just beautiful.
What's badder, you or the car?
Me and the car together is a hot combination. I'm telling you.
I love it. All right, let's let this thing roll. Here we go. Time to do a little driving, boys and girls. Hey, I just want to let you know that this is the most fun vehicle I've ever had. I love this thing. Man, we rock and roll when we drive this thing. The sound system is on point. As you can hear, the active exhaust. All right, you're gonna like this little part in the road right here. It cuts back down. Yeah, little active braking coming into the corner. Boom, ooh, a little more juice than I needed. Big boy's gonna slow us down right here. That's all right. That was easy. The active exhaust is one of the main reasons I purchased this car. I mean, I loved the way it looked. That was a huge factor. I mean, it's like finding a girlfriend or boyfriend, right? I mean, if you like the way somebody looks, well, that's gonna initially attract you to them, but then all the extra things add up. So this vehicle was a huge attraction. When I looked at it, I was like, oh, it's like, man, look at you. And then they cranked it up and I was like, goodness, I like the way you sound. What do you think? You like the sound? You don't? Leave me a comment below. Say, hey, I hate the way that engine sounds, or I love it, or I love that. Let's get out here in the dirt.